Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a really handy combo for anyone with a Nikon Coolpix camera, specifically the S3600, S5200, or S9500 models. We're talking about the UC-E6 USB cable, which is an absolute must-have for these cameras, bundled with a versatile microfiber cleaning cloth. Let's start with the UC-E6 USB cable. This isn't just any cable. It's the specific connection one needs to link their compatible Nikon Coolpix camera to their computer. Imagine having just captured a day full of amazing memories, stunning landscapes, candid portraits, or vibrant cityscapes. How does one get those precious photos off their camera and onto their computer for editing, sharing, or safekeeping? This cable is the answer. It ensures a reliable and efficient transfer of images, making the process seamless. No more fumbling with memory card readers or complicated wireless setups if a direct, wired connection is preferred. Its build quality feels sturdy, suggesting it's designed to withstand regular use, which is exactly what one wants from an essential camera accessory. Now, let's talk about the fantastic bonus that comes with this cable: the microfiber cleaning cloth. This isn't just a throw-in. It's an incredibly useful tool that everyone can appreciate. Its primary purpose is to keep screens and lenses spotless, free from smudges, dust, and fingerprints. Think about a camera's LCD screen. It's constantly being touched and exposed to the elements. A quick wipe with this cloth and it's crystal clear again, ensuring one can always review their shots with perfect clarity. But its utility doesn't stop there. This cloth is designed for a wide array of devices. From tablet and phone screens to computer and laptop displays, it handles them all with ease. Even eyeglasses and camera lenses will benefit from its gentle, streak-free cleaning power. It's soft, non-abrasive, and highly effective at picking up grime without scratching delicate surfaces. Having one of these handy means one is always prepared to keep their tech looking its best. So, what one is getting here is a dual-purpose solution that addresses two common needs for camera users and tech enthusiasts alike. The UC-E6 USB cable provides that crucial link for data transfer from specific Nikon Coolpix models, while the microfiber cloth ensures all screens and lenses remain pristine. It's a practical, thoughtful bundle that enhances the user experience by providing essential tools in one convenient package. For anyone owning one of the specified Nikon Coolpix cameras, this combination offers both functionality and maintenance in a single purchase, making it a truly valuable addition to their gear.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.